Uh, yo, my guys.
The realization.
Yo.
He's told me, let's go have a look at land. I'm like, oh, so this is now what land looks like. Okay.
No, the picture in my head was very different. And that was the problem.
Emphasis of the waterfall.
The waterfall, there was...
Because he told me, Kajiado, you are putting everything together. I'm like, this guy was thinking it'd be ferries. You know? There's music as you come in, the harp is being played.
That is 4 acres. Yes, 4 acres.